If I handed you $1,000 right now to post one video on TikTok a day, would you do it? Well, I hope you would do it because it's really simple. All you gotta do is post this one video a day and you can make yourself $1,000 a day. Now, if you have TikTok, you've definitely seen the videos of movie clips, sport clips, just random clips you would normally see out in the world on a TV or a tablet or a phone. They're not made by any creator, or sometimes they are. Even the podcast clips, maybe it's a funny meme or a funny comedy clip. Maybe you have seen video clips of, say, Fortnite, Call of Duty, their highlights. I've definitely seen a lot of those, and some of those accounts actually make thousands of dollars a day just posting that. Now, there's a guy in my free Discord called Cream Doug, and he makes tens of thousands of dollars on TikTok. Here's his screenshots on the screen right now. He makes a killing just posting these types of videos. Now, what if I told you I've done the same exact thing and still do the same exact thing, posting sports clips? I'm not going to show you the exact TikTok account on the sports highlights TikTok because normally when I share other TikTok accounts, well, all you guys go to it and then it becomes dead. But let me break down the analytics for you. It has 22,000 followers, it has over 400,000 likes, and it's made me a total on the creator program, a total of $1,843 and counting. I've only had the account for about 3 weeks, and I post one video a day. If you find the TikTok account, leave in the comments down below. I'm not going to like your comment to make sure nobody sees it. Now, I've said enough about myself. Let's talk about you. You want to make thousands of dollars a day, if not thousands of dollars a week. So how are you going to do that? Well, the same way I started and many other TikTok account holders started. Here's how we make the money. It's called the creator program. For example, on YouTube, you have YouTube AdSense. What YouTube AdSense does is once you can get monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watched, or sometimes you need only 500 subscribers and 3,000 hours watched. You can make money on YouTube called Google AdSense. For example, say I post a YouTube video like the one I'm recording right now. YouTube is going to pay me based on 1,000 views. Say my RPM is $7. My average on the channel is 6.5. We'll round it up to $7. YouTube pays me $7 per 1,000 views I get. Now, this is completely different to TikTok. TikTok uses something called the creator program, and they pay way less than what YouTube pays. The reason being is because, well, TikToks are way shorter than YouTube videos. Now, as I said for YouTube about the requirements for monetization, TikTok is just a little bit different. You need about 10,000 followers, 100,000 views in the past 30 days, and you got to be 18. But let's be real here. Nobody knows if you're 18 or not. So here's the funny thing. If you don't have a TikTok account with 10,000 followers, 100,000 views, or if you even don't got one right now, you're screwed. So get off the video and it's never gonna work. No, I'm kidding, okay? I was in the same boat as you. I didn't start from scratch, but what I did is I bought a TikTok account that had 2,000 followers at the time. So I'm pretty much in the same boat as you, okay? But here's the lovely thing about TikTok. You can grow from 0 to 10,000 in literally a couple days. Now, am I saying you're gonna grow from that in a couple days? Probably not, but you can definitely do it in a couple weeks. So with that being said, let's start with the first type of videos you could post. And you know what that is? That's the movie clips. Remember, we're not putting our face on video, we're not putting our voice on video, we're using other people's content to make us money. Why does TikTok allow you to make money off of movie clips that you didn't even make the movie yourself? I got no idea, but you can make money off of it. And simply, they don't care. So how are you gonna find these movie clips? Well, guys, I'm gonna give you the most simple strategy that's called get the ones that already have a ton of views. Let's do the most simplest thing. Get your phone out, let's go on TikTok, and let's find us some nice movie clips. Yeah, look at all these movie clips. Look how popular they are. They have tons of views. They have really good amount of views, actually. You can use these. So what you're gonna go do now is go to something called SnapTik. Go to SnapTik, and what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna go to, put the link in. So go to the TikTok video, press share, copy the link, and then go to SnapTik, put the link in there, and then what you're gonna wanna do is download it. So I've downloaded the link, and now I have the video. Simple as that. And you literally just repost the video. Now, you can't get away with just posting the video. What I like to do is something called changing the filter. Now go over to CapCut, download it on your phone, and what you're gonna do here is, you can see me right here, is you're gonna just change a filter on it. Simple as that. You can even do it in the camera roll, but add a little bit of filters on there. And this is very important. I would suggest adding a caption. And here's a key part that many of you are gonna overshoot here. What you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna add a caption. And I'm not talking about adding a caption on the TikTok video that you can manually do on TikTok on the bottom of the screen where you put your hashtags. I'm talking put a caption on the literal video. You see it a lot on TikTok, you see it a lot everywhere. Just put it on there too. If there's already one that comes with it, don't download that video. My point is, TikTok is all about that first 2 seconds of retention. If you can keep retention for at least 2 to 3 seconds, most likely teenagers or older adults or younger adults are gonna watch it more than 3 seconds. Now let's go over to sports clips. It's the same exact thing, just take sports highlights. Which is better, movie clips or sport clips? Movie clips is by far the best. What I've seen is that you make the most money on movie clips. Now, what TikTok goes by is the same thing called RPM that I already explained that YouTube goes by. It pays you per 1,000 views. For example, on my sports highlight channel, my RPM is only 33 cents. So sports highlights, where do you find these? Where do I find these? Well, I find them the same way you find the movie clips. Here's the difference though. I don't just put a different filter. I do a different filter, but what I like to do is I like to add my little logo that's a watermark. Now here's a good one. Podcast clips go absolutely insane. My friend has a full TikTok account solely devoted to Theo Von. If you don't know who Theo Von is, he's a comedian and he has a bunch of funny clips, obviously because he's a comedian, on his podcast. So here's a little secret for y'all, because most people clicked off the video by now. Here's a niche that's not tapped in a lot and it makes a lot of money. I've seen RPMs all the way up to $1.40. That means you're getting paid $1.40 per 1,000 views. It's the video game niche. How do you find these? Same way as normal. Do the little filter change, do the same exact thing, put your logo watermarked. And since it's the end of the video, most people won't hear that, but for those couple people or whoever are watching the end of this, that's your little secret Easter egg. I'm personally getting into that niche too. That's all you need to know to make thousands of dollars a day or thousands of dollars a week using the TikTok creator program. Now, I do want to note, because most people will put this in the comments, you do need to be from the US. You could be from other states as well. You can make money off the creator program. That's what I've checked. So if you're not from there, you have a little bit of a problem. Now, this is what I would recommend, because this is later on in the video I'm talking, for those people that don't live in those countries. Now, you just gotta ask somebody that lives in a different country to make an account for you. If you don't have that access, you can even ask people in my Discord. Don't be annoying and spam that. But if you do want to ask people, I know a bunch of people have done that for others. You don't need to pay. It's just they make a brand new account and they send you the information. Other things you could do is buy a SIM card. Really recommend doing that, because you're not only going to get audience from the SIM card you have. So example, say your SIM card is the US. SIM card is you literally just plug it in your phone. Well, TikTok thinks you're in the US, so it's going to post those videos to the US servers. Basically, people from the US are gonna see it. Plus, you can get monetized on that account. Now, there's another little method you could do as well, that you're actually posting newsletters. If you wanna see that video, it's right here. Go ahead, click on it. It's actually a banger as well. Hope you all appreciate it, and I appreciate you for watching the video, and I wish you good luck. Remember, stay with it, don't quit. Many people in the comments, or many people that I see on these videos, like, it's too hard, too hard. Everything is hard, okay? You can make it hard and grind. I don't know where I'm going with that sentence. I don't want to end up saying something wrong there, because it was going in the wrong direction. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys later. Peace out. And you know what's really funny about this? Because most people say, hey, what's the matter, Joe?